What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Harvest Finance, which has pumped up nearly 50% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $44.26. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much out of nowhere over the last couple of hours. Is it going to keep going this way? Is it going to get past $50 over the next couple of hours? And mainly looking at, is it time to invest right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, months, and going into 2024? Is this a must-have crypto in your portfolio? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Harvest Finance, which is here in purple at $28.74. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at $40.29, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking very steep, guys, going in a bullish direction, meaning this is not realistic, as it is looking way too steep. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place. However, I'm not expecting it to keep pumping this way over the next 12 to 14 hours. In fact, I'm expecting it to be trading around $38 to $40. In between that price range is where I'm expecting Harvest Finance to be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, in between that time, it is likely to pump up near about the $50 mark over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down to around $38 to $40 over the next 12 to 14 hours. So yes, do expect it to be quite volatile up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of next week, as you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are still looking very bullish, very steep as well. So yes, guys, again, this is not realistic. Exact same reason applies here. Over the next 7 to 8 days, I'm expecting Harvest Finance to have dropped back down in value to around the $32 mark is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at towards the end of next week. But of course, in between that time, we are likely to see more green and red days, quite volatile like previously explained, but the overall outcome unfortunately seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect an overall drop in value from Harvest Finance. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again, this is not realistic. Again, we keep seeing bullish charts going in a steep direction. Only reason is the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours and days as well. As you guys can see, it's been hitting more green days recently due to the market being up, but again, this is not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so towards mid to late December, so towards the end of the year, I'm expecting Harvest Finance to be trading just below $50, guys. So once it drops down to around $30 over the coming weeks, it should slowly and steadily gain value up to about just under $50 is where I'm expecting Harvest Finance to be trading at towards the very end of the year, depending of course on how the crypto market performs, as I am also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $40,000 towards the end of the year, and this should have a positive impact on the crypto market, which of course includes Harvest Finance hitting just under $50 by the end of the year. Now, Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way to head up to the resistance target here, which is $81.94, which I'm not expecting Harvest Finance to hit this year, but by mid next year I'm expecting it to be trading in the green zone or just about hitting the green zone. So Q2 of 2024, we should be able to break out from the resistance target and head up to around $90 by mid-year next year on Harvest Finance. But again, depends on any bull runs or price pumps, crashes. These things have a major impact on crypto market. Anything that I can predict, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 1,000%, making it $24 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading over the last 24 hours. Most of it is of course due to the pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. We are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto, a lot more buyers, as well as a lot more sellers selling out the cryptos, taking their profits out as well. So yeah, it is getting a lot of traction from both buyers and sellers point of view. Now, on to the buying and selling point. So as you guys know, some of you guys are buying it, some of you guys are selling it, but personally guys, I wouldn't buy it right now as it is overvalued and it is likely to drop back down in value over the coming hours and days, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. So what would be my buying price for this crypto? So guys, at the moment it is at $39, just under $40. I wouldn't buy it for anything more than $22, guys. $22 is the maximum price that I would buy this crypto at. Anything above that I would avoid it. Only reason is right now it is overvalued, and even if I invest it over $22, it wouldn't give me a decent amount of ROI, so I would potentially stay away from it. And my selling price right now, yes, it is a good time to sell, but I wouldn't sell all of it. For example, if I had $1,000 in Harvest Finance, I would probably sell about $400 to $500 worth, about 40 to 50%. So I take out some profits and I still have some investment in Harvest Finance and potentially sell the remaining in 2024 when it heads up to around the $90 to $100 mark. So it works both ways. I've still taken out some profits and I still got some investment in Harvest Finance. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. Just a quick one on Harvest Finance. Let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2023 and 2024 as well, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.